Welcome to
the University of Pretoria's Occupational Therapy channel.
We are fourth year occupational therapy students and we're so excited to be sharing this project with you. The goal of this project is to help early childhood development centres make fun, engaging, yet affordable toys using everyday materials to help children engage meaningfully in play.
Play is how children learn and develop skills, and that is why it's so important for all children to be able to play, and why we started a project focusing on low-cost toy making. The types of videos we will be posting on this channel during the project are video tutorials with step-by-step instructions on how to make low-cost toys for different ages, how to use these toys in play, and how to adapt the toys and play methods for kids struggling to engage. This is important because no two children are the same, and children with different abilities need to play in different ways.
In preparation for these videos, we encourage you to start collecting all sorts of recyclables. It will also be handy to keep a couple more around for when you decide to make more toys at a later stage for your children. Some examples of these materials are bottle tops, plastic bottles, pebbles, toilet rolls, different types of cardboards like cereal boxes and egg cartons, string, old buttons, and any other recyclables you can think of.
If you have access to extra materials such as paint, glue, or markers, keep these around as you can use them to decorate or assemble some toys, but the focus will be on using what is easily available to you. We invite you to join in on this project by watching the videos when they become available and creating the toys to help your children grow and have fun. We applaud the important work that you're already doing with these children, and we hope these videos will be a valuable resource for your centre. Thank you for watching this video.
We'll see you in the next one.